back to my channel. Hi, hello, welcome if you are new. I don't know if like the title gives it away or if the, what do you call it, thumbnail gives it away. But we're going to be opening up my Allure beauty box for, what is this now? June 2025. And I don't know why these get delivered on Sundays. Like the USPS just like pops in and it's like, hey, I know we're off, but here you go. Thank you. Editing me will leave more information in the description box below. Me and my cloud knife will open this. My face is kind of naked-er. I didn't reapply any of my lippy, and I have mascara, sunscreen, and my blush is kind of very light today because this box is really heavy. Also, I was getting ready to go out, and I figured if this box is heavy, let's open it up, see what's inside. Not sure, but I'll put you on my lap. Ooh, $10 member store credit. Thank you for being a valued member. Here's $10. Cool. I don't think, oh, they have the Jisoo. I just bought like the baby mini Jisoo hair oil smelly. Well, it's not a hair oil. It's a perfume. Honey infused hair perfume is what it's called. Just because I use like a very light oil mist for my little flyaways after every wash. Like, you know, you like wash your hair at night, dry it, style it the next morning, like the next couple days you get little frizzies. I just do a light oil. I might go snag one real quick. I mean, not right now. I mean, I should right now, but not right now. And then if you're new to Allure Beauty Box, I do leave all the good stuff down below. But this is the cute little booklet that you get. It tells you a little bit about all the items that you got. You get a cute little letter every month from the Deputy Beauty Director. And then let's dive directly into what we got. So the first item is from Buxom, which I'm like, you're still around. You know, like from the How the Grinch Stole Christmas with Jim Carrey, and he's like, you two are still alive. Like, that's how I felt about Buxom. But I mean, like, staying strong. Hello, I love it. It's $22. Where are you? There you are. $22. Oh, it's kind of heavy. The box is heavy, but $22. How many times am I going to say $22? Enough. So you could have picked the color that you got. It's the Buxom Power Line Plumping Lip Liner in Real Red, Dangerously Dolly, Smooth Spice, or High Def Honey. And I picked High Def Honey, which sounds about right for me lately. Like, ever since I got that Melt Cosmetics box, I've been all about, like, my browns and nudes. More browns than nudes. Because that's not going back in a box. I'm using this right now. Ooh, I was wondering what this is. So it's like a little brush. Okay. Brush on one side. Product on the, oh, we have like a little teardrop shaped applicator. I think one of my, I want to say eyebrow pins is like that. So why am I going to love it? Which I do really enjoy, because it'll tell you a little bit about the product, and then it'll tell you why they love it, so why I'm going to love it. You know, kind of like friend to friend, like this is what's going on. This is why I love this product. So even if you've never used lip liner in your life, you'll now be shaping your lips like a pro. Some pencils are dry, they skip, feel uncomfortable. Buxom's unique formula, creamy with an angled tip. Oh, keep it both corners. That's it. Yeah, I'm gonna put this on. Okay. Oh, I left it here on my desk. Went to reach for my hand mirror, like my regular. She wasn't there. This is kind of awkward though. Like, do I angle it? Okay. So I do that, which was really awkward because this is big and I wasn't 100% sure how to use it. And then this, you can just, like, Can I just use my finger? Yeah. Can I just use my finger? Okay. I mean, cool. I'm gonna put this back where it belongs. Cool. $22. Is it because of the brush you get? So it says how you're supposed to use it. Trace your lips, adding a little extra natural lip line if you want. Fill in lips and top of the lipstick or not. For long lasting color, attach brush, blending, skip it. Keep things simple. It looks okay. Very awkward to apply with this though. Cause like, what happens when I dull down the edge? Awkward. Definitely not meant to be doing like from a distance. I like it though. Like if I'm in one of my no touchy kind of moods, I can just use this to apply on the go. And it says you can do it all over the lips too, which is really nice. And I think I picked a good color to go well with me. I think so. Okay. How much was that? $22? Cool. So far so good, right? I'm enjoying it. Not bad. On to the next set. Ooh. Okay, so I've been thinking about this item, this brand. Where'd you go? Come here. This is part of why it's so heavy and it's warm. Ugh. I live in Arizona, so of course everything's hot. This is Naked Sundays SPF 50 Plus Collagen Glow 100% mineral sunscreen. $34. $34. This is a full size. So why am I going to love it? It's got a high SPF, more radiant skin. Yes, please. Tinted cream. It's tinted. Okay. Which is good. I've learned the tinted is not so much for your skin color, but to cancel out the white cast from the mineral, like the zinc and everything. Mineral sunscreen, zinc oxide, and a more flattering finish. Smooth a generous amount. What is it? A quarter teaspoon? I do 3 fingers and I do a generous amount because I'm pale. I don't know if you can tell by my like face color, neck color. Yeah, pale. Including frequently missed areas like between the brows, and watch your skin get glowier as you go. $34. Yeah, I want to try this. Keep an eye out for this in an upcoming, we're sealed. Keep an eye out for this in an upcoming dedicated video all for itself, because you know I'm going to be trying this. Collagen Glow 100% mineral sunscreen, which is like good. They do leave a white cast no matter the tint involved in it. And I've been playing with some bronzing drops to try and even it out. I don't know if you can tell like today, like my skin color difference. Anywho, more to come on that, but cool. $34. All right. Ooh. Okay, this next one's from Truly, which like I've never tried the brand, seen it, looks nice, but it's a little pricey for me. Are you why this box is heavy? I feel like this is why the box is heavy, because my legs just got way lighter. So this is Truly Vanilla Baby Luxury Body Oil. $30. Are you $30? Are you 1.7 ounces? Let me show you. Let me show you. First of all, hello, Vanilla Baby. That is so, yeah, this is a full size. That is so glittery. Wow. Are you open? No? Yeah? No? No? No. Okay, just me. Good. Glass. It's a body moisturizer. Somewhere stable. Why you'll love it. Less utilitarian. Body oil comes in. Warm without scent. Glimmering finish. Smooth, hydrating, shimmering body oiling. There's nothing. Okay. So instead of a body moisturizer, use a body oil. Cool. I want to open it. I do so bad, but I know I'm not going to use it, so we're putting her back in the box. But that's cool. 30 bucks. Watch me say I'm not going to use it, and then in like 2 weeks, I'm just going to pop it out and just go crazy with it. I would. On to the next item. That was quick. On the next item, it's from Luna Nectar Neptune Hyaluronic Acid Hydrate and Blur Serum. Is that you? Hi. Oh, you're heavy too. You're pretty looking though. What is this? Excuse me. Whatever it is, it's a $39. It's a full size. Why am I going to love it? An elegant summer serum. Lightweight, refreshing, leaves skin feeling smoother and more hydrated with hyaluronic acid. Has antioxidants like green tea that might offer additional free radical protection when layered under your sunscreen, like your new one from Naked Sundays. Oh, look at them. Smart. Apply it over clean skin and top with sunscreen. You can sandwich your moisturizer in between, but the serum is so hydrating you might not even need it. So you're just for hydrating? Cool. Do you do anything else? Nope. Cool. That's cool. I mean, I have other ones that do all the things. But just like a simple serum is nice. Oh my gosh, shut up. How is that not? First of all, cute, cool, I like it. So yeah. I guess it's just supposed to like hydrate really well. There's nothing really fancy on here. Lock moisture into skin, natural and vegan, dermatologist tested, hypo non-allergenic. That's it. Cool though. I mean, it looks neat. I love the look of it. So that's a good. That's a plus. And then the last item, what are we on? 1, 2, 3, 4. So they can give you 6 items. They've divided these up into 2. And they are both Allure Beauty winners. The Allure best of Beauty Allure Beauty winner. It's got the little stamp. So one is the Maria Nilla Head and Hair Heal Shampoo. The other one is a Maria Nilla Head and Hair Heal Conditioner. The full... Okay, this is not a full size. The full size is $36. Each. Let me just pop them up right here. Okay, can you... Oh, I like how they like sealed the top with the little stickers. Can I get some explanation as to why the full size is $36? I understand why these are not full size, but why is the full size $36? Why am I gonna love it? A luxe way to treat an itchy scalp or dandruff. That's it. After rinsing with the shampoo, apply conditioner over scalp, lengthen your hands, sit for a few minutes, rinse. That's it. So it helps with your flakiness. I mean, I do get some like itchy scalp every now and then, just like up here in the front. I think it's a me thing because it's not all over, it's just right here. But like the boys use Head and Shoulders, so I just go and like steal a little bit of theirs and it seems to do the job. And it's not very often. But I mean, if you need it often, it totally makes sense. Shampooing a phasant. This is the 100 ml. Each is 100 ml, and the full size is 300. So picture only 3 of these. That's a lot for $36. I mean, I'm gonna use it, but like $36. That's all the products. That's all I've got for today. You can go now. Shoo, shoo. Imagine just shoo, shoo, shoo. We're done. JK. That's the whole Allure Beauty Box. June 2025. Psh, get you some. No? Yeah, no. That's why it's heavy, because these are glass and these are just the fullest of liquid, and these are full size. These are sample size, but like barely, because like 3 of those is a full size, and oh my gosh. Yeah, wow. But this lippy, she's cute. I like her. I'm over here like trying to get close-ups, looking here, looking like there. I can't see that far because like I don't have the glasses or contacts on, but like here, we're looking nice, actually. This is not bad. We definitely do run, though. How is it plumping? I don't know. But, she runs a little bit, so not bad. I mean, I get the bigger pencil part of it, especially if you're going to put it all over your lips. I get it, I guess. I usually just do liner. Or I do the liner. I line my lips. That's what I'm trying to say. I line my lips, color in the edges, and then like mama, do a little smooshy smoosh. And then come in with like a chapstick or a lip oil, something real light. Nothing fancy. But that's the box. That's her. She is her. She's the box. It's the box. The box is good. The box is done. That's all I have for you. Yeah. That was a good box. That was pretty nice. Very heavy box this month. I like it though. I do like most of my Allure beauty boxes though, so I don't know if you can count that. But anywho, we're gonna end this here. This video, if you do like it, you can hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna put this in my Allure beauty box playlist, so if you want to know what I've gotten previously, go check out that playlist. All the videos are in there. Fun stuff. Oh, and let me know in the comments if you got the box, what color lippy you picked. Like, I'm just curious, because I'm normally like a mauvey red kind of girly, but I was like brown right now. Brown. Anywho, I'm gonna catch you later. I'm gonna go. Thanks for hanging out. Bye.